Hello friends, today we are learning small letter alphabets A to Z at and color name. Sky blue color, dark green color, light green color, orange color, blue color, yellow color, purple color, white color, pink color, red color, gray color, and brown color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's paint. Light green color. A for apple. Blue color. B for butterfly. Orange color. C for carrot. Brown color. D for dog. Sky blue color. E for egg. Light green color. F for fish. Blue color. G for goat. Orange color. H for hen. I for ink. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nose. O for onion. P for panda. Q for queen. R for rain. S for sun. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for fan. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Pink color. purple color, light green color, dark green color, sky blue color, red color, white color, brown color, gray color, blue color, orange color, this pink color, yellow color, capital letter A, small letter A, A for apple, capital letter B, small letter B, B for ball, capital letter C, small letter C, C for candle, capital letter D, small letter D, D for dog, capital letter E, small letter E, E for elephant, capital letter F, small letter F, F for fish, capital letter G, small letter G, G for grapes, capital letter H, small letter H, H for hand, capital letter I, small letter I for igloo, capital letter J, small letter J, J for joker, capital letter K, small letter K, K for kite, capital letter L, small letter L, L for lion, capital letter M, small letter M, M for moon, capital letter N, small letter N, N for nose, capital letter O, small letter O, O for onion, capital letter P, small letter P, P for panda, capital letter Q, small letter Q, Q for queen, Capital letter R. Small letter R. R for rain. Capital letter S. Small letter S. S for sun. Capital letter T. Small letter T. T for tiger. Capital letter U. Small letter U. U for unicorn. Capital letter V. Small letter V. V for fan. Capital letter W. Small letter W. W for watermelon. Capital letter X. Small letter X. X for X-ray. Capital letter Y. Small letter Y. Y for yo-yo. Capital letter Z. Small letter Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.